Hey, have fun. Welcome to this video. For this video, what you want to do now for this video, we want learn how to make some money with our smartphone. Shall now where we say Christmas they come near. Now I want you to do this one. Now what you want to do be say one design put for t-shirt. Calm down. My explain them. No be so one the set t-shirt, but my explain them. Now look this picture very well. What you want to design now? Now this design I want to do. This t-shirt now I want to do. And now very soon I'm gonna show you how much this t-shirt does generate. How much potential if it is. Now what you want to do, the design you see for us where they write Merry Christmas. We want designer for t-shirts. But we get a website where we'll put our design where we say that the website go help us make the shirt, and the design will help us add the website will help us add the design we'll do on top of the shirt. So all we need to do and to create the design, after we finish creating the design now, we'll come carry the link where they'll give us. Can't go share, give people so people go buy the shirt. No be us want make the shirt. So now what you want to do be this. So you don't see many people where they wear shirt, you see this kind of design put for their shirt. You also see other people too, their shirt will be like this. So now this one see like this, not make the design sharp. And I go walk you through step by step how you go create the design. You don't need to learn how to be a designer. You don't need to be a designer first. Just follow me. As you see, this presentation so they do it for my smartphone. So now my phone now I want to use throughout for this video. We need to use anything like laptop. So the only requirement we need now phone. You don't need to know how to take design before you need them. But you go see take your time. We should pay for this skill and our time. So we'll move on. Enough talking. So now what you want to do be this. So the potential I'm showing an example of potential wealth here. Now this one like potential if you end. I not say now must you go just earn this amount. You go fee earn pass them. Obviously, if you work, you will fee earn pass this one. If you put in more work for which I want to teach you, so you fee earn pass this one. That's one at the website review history. You see on 2019 show for there. It no be recent. And this design now go use the end that one if it's the end pass. But I don't go if you promise say you go earn millions. I just gave you realistic. You know me say you go many, but I'm gonna be small thing. Now I'm gonna begin. What will be the steps I want to use now for this design? For this 2-on-1 let me say. Firstly, now more think. Now, what do you think say people won't wear this Christmas? Now, apart from Christmas, what do you think people won't wear? What do you say they want me to write for their shirt? Because right now, like this, so you don't be designer. Now you go want to think, what do you say person want write for their shirt? What do you want write for their shirt? What for this Christmas? What did you say want write for your shirt? So not be say you just write your name for shirt. What do you say people want write? Different things they. Understand? People say, I love Christmas. Understand? Christmas is the best time of the year. Something like that. Just think. What do you say person want write for a shirt? That be the first one we need for you now. Now the next one we do now, we'll check Google for image and handwriting. Now that's what they talk about now font. See, Christmas get their own font where we need. Understand? To do this thing. Now, man, go check you. I will check Google for image and handwriting. And the image we want to use now, we'll make sure see the image no a person. Because we don't want copyright issue. Copyright issue come and say we don't want use image where another person gets. We want to use our own image. So if we check Google, they will go open Pixel Lab. They will create our symbol. What will be Pixel Lab? Pixel Lab, we want to create our design. If we don't get time, we'll go there for Play Store. I'll show you how to do that for Play Store. No wahala. Then what we go do after we create our design, we'll come open Spring account or Redbubble. Now this Spring account and Redbubble, now in be the website where we go for put our design. So we'll help us put them for shirt. So that shirt now will fit sell them and will fit make some money for inside the design. You understand? And for inside this website, so for Redbubble or for this Spring website, if you don't feel make your money and your money don't pass $5, you'll fee withdraw and go your bank account. Now, we start. Now after I finish that step, more if I do this first step now before I move on to the next one. More we go do one. Now, more move on. More check Google for image and handwriting. Now what you want to do for Google, we say more open our Chrome. Now go put your Chrome. More they follow me step by step as I want to do this thing. Don't skip any part. They follow me step by step. Make me show you how to do and ginger. Now you don't put me that inside Chrome. Now my Chrome be this my Google. It dey inside your phone. Don't say no dey your phone. It dey everybody phone. Just check them ginger. Now what you want to be say now, we'll go search for Google now. Now what you want search? Now more find small image. What we want use. What you go on search now be say you go Google, you go type am, you just type anything where you know say you want type. Just search clean. Me want go where you call clean PNG. If you search this one now, clean PNG now website where they put images. Images where no get background at all. So go clean PNG. Okay, now what we need from this website now? Christmas design. You understand? Christmas ideas now we need now. Go clean PNG. Or if you don't go to this website, you feel just go Google, go search free image for Christmas. You understand? Just go search like that for inside Google. Now we'll go allow cookies. Then I more search some images. Now what I want search now? I want just search Christmas. I don't click search. So my search Christmas city don't show me. So you see, and they get up to 146,000 Christmas images. Now more just move on, go find the one what we want use. So you see, different Christmas images. Now be all this one where if you use. See Christmas cap, you see Christmas splash of color be that. So they see different Christmas design. And this designer, the beautiful thing about them, you no get background. So you see different Christmas things what if you use. So now be this, so now be the stage. You see Christmas tree, you see the star, you see this guy, you see this red balls. Different images, they just did too many. Now your choice, you can choose which one for all these many design you want use. See this one now, I put Merry Christmas. If you just carry this one now, just go use and directly. But now what you want do now for you can't choose now what you want use for inside all this one now they show you since what you yourself want use. You understand? What you yourself want use. Now one carry now. Now for example, now if you come this way, if you see this one, they write Merry Christmas. If you carry them, or if you want, you go carry just the cap. So if you carry Merry Christmas, if you carry this camera now, if you want the other, you tap them. More tap and more see. Okay, it's an advertisement. And bad them. So you see you can see the image for here. You see where they put free download. You click free download. Now if you use any image where you want, so my download will start. Okay, it does the download now. You see them for up here, the download now. Now since that one don't enter, if you go choose now for different design. Now let me go back first. I'll show you something. Man, go back. Now the one I don't carry, I carried the one they write Merry Christmas. I want one they don't write anything. So me go fit add my own text put. So let me just check font now. You check font now. You see time where they put the game where they put Christmas cap. See Christmas cap on for you now. And then now I want this Christmas cap on. So I'll give you 2 examples. Now that first one why the now be Merry Christmas. If you just use that one, put them for the website. Now man go free download. We'll click the free download like that. So you see we'll click free download for you. Okay, we'll watch this moment start to the download. Very soon now it will soon start to the download. Okay, downloading. Now what you want to do next, we say sharp more quick go download pixel app. Now I want to edit our text for our design. Many people use Canva to do this one, but Canva nobody won't use pixel app. Now the better pass. I see the professional. What go make you fit? It give you free choice to say do what you want. If you go use another they call Canva, that don't get too much limit. The mature design where you fit do for there, they will tell you me pay money. So now this one now we go use. So see now we got the inside our pixel app. Now be this. Now if you don't get pixel app, go download them. If you want to download Play Store, my Play Store there here. So we'll go place now. Place with this now. I shall say do your phone. If they use iPhone, you go App Store. Now we'll go place like this. Up here, now for the search. So you just tap up here. Up here, they put search for apps or game. When you just click this search, you can type the name of what you look for. So you see Pixel App. Maybe search Pixel App. As if you don't get them. You go Play Store and search Pixel App. Come outside. So you wait me load. So you see Pixel Lab now immediately install them. After that you see they show me open for you. So now Pixel Lab is test on pictures. I beg this one. Now you go put see Pixel Lab. Now want put now no be others. The Pixel Lab menu no be Canva. So we put Pixel Lab. Now for your own go show install. You press that install. But my own I'm already get them. You show me open. My press open. Now I'm open them. Pixel Lab now already open. Now what you want to do now be say after already install Pixel Lab. Press cancel. Now what you go show be this. Now this thing they complicated. Hey, many tools they where they use and do. I haven't get video where I'll teach you how to use each of all these tools where you see where many for you. But now what you want to do, I just teach you how to use what you want to do today, straight to the point. Now to do this test, what if I day more clean them? We'll tap the test for you. I beg they follow my hand, you will see the dots, they follow them. I beg. You tap the test for you. You come this test area right there, this test side, you delete them. More delete that first test. Now what you want to do now be say, more bring in the image, that cap or want to bring in image. You see the plus up where they up here. This plus so where they up here. Now you tap to take bring in image where you want to use now. So we'll go this plus place where there so we'll want tap the plus. Now we'll tap the plus, we'll take bring in our image. Tap the plus from gallery. Now we'll tap. I bet they follow the door, they follow step, make don't miss any part. Now from gallery now, the whole time you go my file manager, your own feed they different. But what I want you do for me, you go SD card. Me my own now. Wait see anything what I look for inside Google, they save go my memory card. So now me want go inside my memory card, man go carry the image what I don't come. And the image what I don't now want put so. No one put quick so. Okay. Sorry about the delay. I want to go see my memory card. I'll carry this thing come quick. So my memory card. My memory card inside my memory card now and inside now. I'll just with my memory card load first. Okay. Don't load. Now I want to go 100. Now I have to keep my pictures. Now I want to go so. I want to go 100. I'll go data. And your own feed they different. You know me say go they the same. If I go carry your me don't go. I won't just go while they keep my own. So if we go files, we go download. We can go see all our design. So you see the design what we get for you now. The menu. We get Christmas cap. We get Merry Christmas. So we'll carry this Christmas cap now where we need. We tap them. You see the Merry Christmas cap. You can go show for you. You can go press this good so where they down here. So this go at tap so. Go press them. So now the cap be this now. You understand? So now the cap be this. So now as we don't get this cap so for here, we can't add any design where we want add so don't get our cap which we are missing at Christmas. Now if they watch this video where you know be Christmas time again, you know use Christmas. If you use any other thing, if you use any other thing where you like, I will see for the end I will talk. If you know be Christmas time where you watch the video, I'll still show you, give you an idea of what you still do. So if you still use this same legit business so to make money as you like. Now what you want to do next now be say we won't go use handwriting to write Merry Christmas. And that's what we won't use mature handwriting. What I mean by handwriting, I mean font. So now when we add text, you see where I tap, man delete this one. You go this, first of all you tap this A place. Can go tap add text. Now we can hit this edit where they write for here. So now for here now, more add our text. If we write something like this, this is the best year, right? This is the best year. Or if you write the best moment of the year, if you write something like this, the best moment. Now you just know what you are. If you just be creative of the year, we'll write it now. We'll write it for English because we want sell and give English people the best moment of the year. So see I'm for year now. Just day. This one I just day here. Now handwriting be this. Now if we scroll small, you just scroll. You see where they put font. Just scroll. You see them. They write font. See them for here font. Now we'll click that font. We'll change the font. Once we click font, we'll see many fonts. These fonts now and many more where they fill up. These fonts now they call handwriting. So if we change and choose any handwriting what we want. Or if we go download our own handwriting. So you see now if I go my font, you go see handwriting what I download. If I scroll, you see handwriting, you see I get Christmas handwriting. man is very dey inside my phone wey I fit use. See am so the best moment of the year now, e dey fine. If you want download handwriting, I'll show you how to do one now for your own. I'm gonna go back to Google. We'll go back to Google sharp sharp. Okay, I Google Chrome door open. Now, what you want to do now for the Google Chrome, it is very simple. We'll go download fonts. Now, if you want to download different fonts where they call handwriting, see websites where we'll fit go do that one. We'll go website they call dafont.com. So you type this in dafont.com. So when we search this one, it'll carry us go where we fit download different handwriting as we like. So more go to dafont.com, more go check them out. More load small. Okay. Now, we don't come dafont.com. You see the place where they put search, so this place where they put search, and here one for search fonts one won't use. This place now, one for search fonts one won't use. Now, so what you want to do now? We'll click this place, so we'll write it we want. Now we'll search Christmas. So we want me to give us Christmas handwriting. We'll search Christmas. Okay, then we'll click enter. I'll click this good. Let's search Christmas now. Most what you get for us. You see and say it go show us many Christmas handwriting. See this one? See different Christmas handwriting. So now, what you go want do now, you go download the one where you want. You click download to download them. See download for here. You choose different Christmas handwriting day. See download for here. You can click download to download the Christmas handwriting. So more click download for here now. We'll click download. So you wait small. Christmas handwriting will start to download. So you get many handwriting for here. See another one self. You still get this other one self. This one now handwriting, but it be like picture, it be like emoji. If you see download them now for here, you still click download. You click download, thing go start to download. So if you download many handwriting as you like for you now, what you want to do now? I'm go add the handwriting to our Pixel Lab. Where be that app they use to the design. Now we don't come back to Pixel Lab. Now, me now I already get my own Christmas handwriting. But now if you want to add your own, so you go this font place. I'm go font. It's where they put my font. Now what you can go do now? You use this place where they put text. See, and this place where they for my font, you see this place for you. Now here if you take add your font, this place where they are so. Now move for there, add our font. So we'll click on. We'll wait for me open. If you open, we can go add our font. Okay. We'll click on. You see they'll show you complete action using. You get many choice. Now more open and downloads. Now mostly go by SD card. Go where they keep my things. May open. Okay, you see this thing for here, it dey here, but it dey very blur. You understand? It dey blur, which means say they lock design. Now what we fit do for now? Because they lock the design. What we fit do now? Let one now fit do now that one. So we'll go open now with ZArchiver. Mo go use ZArchiver open now. Sharp. Mo go use ZArchiver to open now. Okay. Now mo use ZArchiver to open our this thing. Come and pause some use and open my ZArchiver app. Okay. Now towards the end I'll show you how to add the video no one pause. So you see to go add our designer we need to open them with VArchiver. So you see VArchiver for it. Yeah, VArchiver an app where you'll be like file manager. Now to open them, we'll go our SD card. Now if you don't get this app they call VArchiver, if you go Play Store, go see download them. So now me will go my Android, just the same location. I go data, I go where they keep my images. So now we'll see this one they call Christmas 3.zip. And when they put Christmas 3.zip, you tap and make that one open. So if you go now, you constantly it will appear for this side. See the handwriting, see different handwriting. Now we don't do that one. Now we don't write the other to come outside. The best moment of the year. Now to want to more we reduce the size of our cap. To reduce the size, you tap the cap. You can't hold this cycle box where they down. You can reduce them small. See now what you want to do now be say more big this the best moment of the year first. More make them big. Now we'll tap them. We'll tap this A. We'll go the test size where they put test size. Now what you want to do, we'll clear like this. We'll tap this edit what of a tab before. Now what you want to do, we want to separate this the best moment of the year. We want to separate them. Okay. So we just see on something like this. I'm gonna go to this our size again. I'm gonna increase the size. We'll increase the size. I also want to scroll. Someone people they put align. We'll click this align, we'll click center. Now see people they put line spacing. We'll click on, we'll reduce the line spacing. Good. I'm going to go increase the size again. We'll click this text size, we'll increase them. So you see also the best moment of the year. You understand? You don't write that one finish now. So you know how you want to write that. You write that anyhow what you want. Now I want to increase my own small. We don't increase them. This is our Christmas card. More we shift and near them. I also want to do Christmas card. More make it may be like say we won't sit down. Now we'll tap them, we'll go this image size. We don't come up for test size now, we'll go this image size. We'll take our Christmas card. We'll take them small now, more push them. They observe my finger, may they check where they go. More push them. Now we'll go this way, they say bring a front to front. Okay, now you don't see them. Now what you want to do now? More make sure push more position away. Okay, you see also the best moment. We can put the cap on top of the best. Now what you want to do for here? If we use any color where we want they add for this place. So if we add any color what we want add, you understand? Now what you want to do now? More add color. We go the test side. You see the test. You tap the test now. Go the test side. We go add some color for this place now. So if we add any color what we want add, you understand? So we call color. If you add color, or if you choose gradient now has two colors. If you combine two colors together, you want add two colors. Just depend on which thing you want to do. If I say what you want to do now, may make sense. So you see this one the best moment of the year. Be like saying green and red. Take put am green and red. Here, you just use am play like that. If you just play around anyhow how you want am, just make sure say make e come out well, make e make sense. You choose any color wey you want choose. Just observe where I dey tap. You see am say dis two fit do am. How I dey do am so. So now I wan choose thick red. So you see am, you go see am say dis one sef no make sense. So now we fit go, fit choose two color. Now if you wan change the color, you go tap dis plus place for here. You fit tap the color wey you want. If you no want the color wey you see for there, you tap dis plus. If you choose any color wey you want for here, you understand? You just tap the color. If you tap dis thing wey dey here so, you fit and change any color of any side. Dis one now, you wan change the green side, you tap green side. You wan change the red side, you tap the red side. You tap the red side like this, tap like, then they come give you option to change any color wey you want change. You fit change the color. You see am so, the best moment of the year. You just see am so. Don't put it like that so. And wetin we wan do wey one be most important part, make you no miss am o. Now, wetin we go do now, the next one we wan do, very important. Make we save this one transparent background. We go come this last side. This where they put background na for background side. We'll click transparent. Why I want transparent, we no wan make e get back at all. Now don't click transparent, now we come save am. Now if we save am, now you just go upload and put for our what? We go put am for the place where we want put for our shirt. And not comot am back, may no get background. Now so we want am. Now we click this save. See save for up here. We'll click up here where they put am for here so. We'll click save. You understand? We'll go click save as image. This still come show. Now for this place where they put for down here, we want tap am where they put default so. This place where they put for quality. We want tap this arrow where they here. And when we tap the arrow where they here, we'll scroll reach down. We'll see where they put ultra. And when we click ultra, ultra means make the wetin we design make it shine well, make it dey very clear. Now we'll click save to gallery. We'll wait make e render. It go show rendering image. Means say it dey save the image for you. Make it get good. And then you can start to save the image. Now once you don finish save the image, when you want save am, you wait small. Make you finish saving the image. Then we'll come go the website now. Come go add our design to the website. I'm gonna wait small. Make the image save. My video no wan gree pause. Actually, you go gree pause now for pause am small so the video no too long. One pause if e say finish, we'll continue. But the pausing no wan work, so we'll just wait make e save. So we say the video come long. I suppose long. It's supposed long, sha, but may no come long pass now. Okay, no need to pause and get our image just saved. Now the next thing to do now, we just save our image. That means it don't dey inside our picture now. If we go our picture app, we'll see am for there. Now we'll go add our image now for inside the website. Now the most important part be this one now. We'll add our image now, so if we start to make small money sharp before Christmas finish. Now no be Christmas you go use this idea. If you still use am too for New Year they come, New Year they come, you use am too. Apart from New Year or Christmas, if you still use am they do normal design where you like, where you say go make sense. Now what you want to do now? More we go back to Chrome. Now I don't go now. See where it's now. See now come Chrome. You know, see me bend my first my phone do like this. Now we'll click this part now. More we'll go the website where they talk about. Now the website will really talk about what we want to use now. Now Redbubble. Or if you use one they call Spring. And if you go, you search Teespring. You search for Google. Teespring. Just search for Google. You wait me you open. So I tell you called Teespring. Let me tell you the lamb. Okay. What should I get? Teespring. Okay guys, the video don't reach 30 minutes. It don't pass. I don't make be enter 40 minutes or maybe reach like 50 minutes. So it be say the part 2 of the video, I'll split this video. I beg me no first, I'll split it into 2. For the next video, I'll show how you go take out the design for Teespring. Now, if you check up on this video where they'll put part 2, the next video, you understand? Or if you just check down the description, you will see where description box there. You check, you'll see the link to the part 2 of the video where I go make, because right now I know I made this video day too long, so we don't do the design. We don't finish our design now. We don't know where we could take our design from. We don't know how to edit the design. Now, for the next video, what we will talk now be say to finish this thing up be say we will talk how we fit take finish our design. What I mean? How we fit take add our design to the place where be the Teespring. I'll still for that video we'll still learn how we fit still use this thing to make money. Now, make I open my presentation for you again sharp. Make you see what you will learn for the next video. Now, for the next video, we don't learn this part now for this video. Now, the next video too won't learn. We'll learn how to join groups where we relate. Now, this group I want join. Now, if we take make our money sharp. Now, this group, right, we can take make money. We also make at least we fit make up to $40 a day if it no too much. Then after we still learn how we take engage for this group. So we let's say we know they spam the group. Then we learn how to take post our design link. We'll learn many things for this part 2. We'll learn how we can make money now for this design what we don't do. How we take sell our shit. I beg, make sure you watch the part 2 of the video. I know I'm make the video into 1 and 2, but I need to cut them for here. Make the video not too long. So I beg, just check around for this video. Or if you still go search still search part 2 by Pidgin Academy, part 2 of Henning with, you understand, Pixel Lab. Just search for YouTube or just check the description. Just make sure say you just watch the part 2 so if you take follow up and understand fully we take hand. Now be that. So hope say you see grasp something for this video. If you learn small thing for the video, you know how to use fonts, you know how to carry the design. For the next video now, I'll see you maybe the part 2. I better make sure say you watch them. No verse here I split them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again for the next video. I better meet you there.